Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. And this video is going to be for all my people who actually want to bleach their microlocs at home.
Child, we not paying all that money to have somebody bleach our hair, okay? We gonna try to,
you know, shank that and get ourselves. I'm going to show you everything that I use, and I'm going to show you how I go through the process of dyeing my microlocs here at home. So if you're interested in that, then y'all keep on watching. And then why not do some, you know, skincare while we are doing our hair care. My help has just arrived. Thank you, honey. Come on in, come on. So, honey, I need your help. I want you to help me with the back of my hair. Please, y'all watch me, babe, please.
Help you do what?
So, you just have to put on the glove, and then you have to put the dye at the tips, like at the very tips, a little bit above where the color is already, because I can't hardly see the back. You gonna help me? Yay! Okay, y'all, hold on, we'll be back. Okay. So just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. We're gonna do just the tips only, right here in the back. So I can't see the back. Y'all see my honey growing his locks? Come in, come in, come in. My honey growing his locks too. We gonna be a lock family. It is the little, see like this? Can you see the color on this? Mm-hmm. You can't see it like this in the front right here, like these? Mm-hmm. You see as much color on this? Man, I can't see that color on that.
A little bit? A
little bit, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm re-dyeing it. So that,
how far you want to go up?
Like these, and I want to go just a little bit past where it is right now. So if you about maybe
an inch.
Yes, show me an inch.
That's about an inch, right?
Yes, about an inch. Mm-hmm. That's the man version. Like he always wants like the man version. Okay, this is the bleach. Yep, you just take this and then you just
saturate it.
You got it. Look, man, you're awesome. So you gonna do the back while I do the front?
Yes.
All right. You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
That's enough?
Yes. Make sure it's saturated though. And it's good. All right, y'all. We will be back when we get a lot more done. We got this side done. I'm about to do this ponytail. Honey working on that ponytail in the back. But all of this is done and all on my neck. All on my face, Lord Jesus. But it's done. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, let me turn to the back so they can see what you're doing. Let me know if it's in the camera. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They see honey doing his work. You can see what you doing. All right, let me get to my other side so we can stop.
Mississippi State, Mississippi, Auburn, Georgia.
Ouch.
Has really been the cash cow. You had your, you got Chicago, which is the third largest. Oklahoma City. It made more sense geographically. But Oklahoma won championships back in the day. Oops.
Give it here.
Back in the day, Pony Express. Remember the Pony Express? Pony Express was SMU. SMU recruiting.
Oh, yeah, I remember seeing the pony.
They all cheated, you know, but you don't have nobody that's gonna say the guy Royal.
Just like I got them all the way. I'm sorry. I'm talking in this ponytail that I was doing. Sorry, I don't mean to cut you off. Is that one good or no? Like these?
You put a little bit more in there.
All this whole section. I can't hardly see with the light, but I get all of them. Yep. Child, whatever ain't gotten won't get it.
You got the pre.
Dang it, I think I missed one. Oh well, there'll be some missed, but I think I missed it like right up in here. I did my best. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we have the bleach on. This was the last section that I did. Honey did the back, and can I see it? The part you did. Sure. Sorry. Help me with my filming too.
Come up.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is the part Honey did in the back. So it's been on for a while. So we've been doing this for like an hour, and I don't want my locks to fall out, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out with some neutralizing shampoo. Old school, we keep it funky 100. Neutralizing shampoo so we can stop all processing. How the color look?
It look good. Looks fine.
Okay, so update. I just got a text from my sister that says to come at 1 today, so we got more time. And right now, what I'm looking for is the purple shampoo because normally when you dye your hair, you want to go ahead and put on some purple shampoo. But honey, do you see it? It's looking real fall and giving me the 2-3 tones that I was talking about. You see that, honey?
That's not what you wanted?
Yes, 3 tones. All right, y'all, so I'm very happy with the way that my color turned out. I'm gonna actually wash my hair again, and I'm going to condition it with the, let me just show y'all, because I'm just telling y'all, like, let me show you. What I'm gonna use are these 2 products right here. This is the shampoo, and this is the conditioner from TGIM. I read about them this morning. What I found out was that the founder had cancer, and she passed in November of 2021. The proceeds from her sales, she does donate to individuals who, well, women I should say, who need childcare, transportation, or who just need assistance with getting that disability leave from work. I really truly think that's a good-hearted person. I just happened to pick these products up from Ross, not even knowing the history or knowing that this was a Black-owned company. I really picked it up because it said it was rose water, and y'all know I like to use rose water in my hair if I'm using Loxanity all the time. But to read about the story, read about the history of how this was founded, how this came about, it really touched my heart. So yeah, that's what I gotta say about that. I'm gonna wash and condition my hair with that, but I have also been having some extreme dryness because, y'all, I'm gonna be real, I just been lazy. I have not been truly caring for my hair like I was supposed to be. I'm picking this back up. I'm putting this back in my routine. My aloe vera water, which you could tell, see, she really ain't been using it that much. But I'm gonna put some of this inside of my handy dandy spray bottle. I just cleaned it out with soap and water. And my oldest son, one of his friends, his mom made me some rosemary oil. So I'm gonna put this in here. It's really, really good rosemary oil. I'm using all the products that I already have because if y'all didn't know, like I said from the beginning of this, okay, when I'm dyeing my locks, I'm using all of the products that I have already at home. We're gonna get into some moisturizing after we dye it. Next product is castor oil because I already had it. And then of course, I live with olive oil in my house. So that and warm water. I have low porosity hair. I've always had low porosity hair. Like, knowing your hair is half the battle. Even though you have locks, knowing your hair is half the battle. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put that concoction together, slide it inside of that water bottle, and then after I finish washing and conditioning my hair, I'm gonna spray it on, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what this looks like, how my color turned out. Okay. All right, y'all, we are back. I have washed, conditioned, and yeah, so I washed and conditioned my hair, and so now we're getting ready to blow dry this thing. And I know blow drying is probably not the thing to do, but the reason I'm blow drying my hair is because in about an hour, I need to go get it retied. And so I don't want it wet. But typically, I let it air dry. The color that I got, and I'm very, very happy with the color. I'm ecstatic. That's like the word. I had to slow it down so I don't rush it and say it wrong. So don't forget to check out my retie video after this video, because then you'll get to see how it looks once I got the color done and I got my retie done and how it all comes together. Cause girl, I'm here for it all. Okay, I'm here for it all. On to blow drying so that we can get this thing dry and we can get out of here and get ready to go see Auntie. Y'all enjoy y'all day, and I will see y'all in the retie video.